Hi, this is Amy at Amy Common Sense Southern. I hope you're having a great day today. I'm excited to bring you my contribution to a collab put together by Kristi at Planning is Healthy. And the theme of this collab is our favorite WW-friendly barbecue cookout recipes. So one of the things that's a must-have for me at big family gatherings during the summer are deviled eggs. And that fits in great with the freestyle program because eggs are, of course, 0 points. So I'm going to be making some deviled eggs for you today that have 5 ingredients. One is obviously eggs. 2, a little bit of Duke's mayonnaise. Remember, this is Amy Common Sense Southern, so we've got to have the Dukes. So we've got the eggs, the mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard. You could use Dijon or yellow mustard. I just don't have any yellow mustard at the house in the moment. We're going to be using some sweet pickle relish and, of course, some paprika. And I've got smoked paprika on hand. You can use any kind. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works to make these. Now, in this video, you will not be getting a great egg hack on how to peel boiled eggs because I'm going to cheat and use the Eggland's Best eggs that come already peeled. I know it's a little bit of a cheat, but I'm okay with that. Whenever I'm grilling, you either need to make stuff that can be done ahead of time or stuff you can do really quickly. And I'm limited on time because I've got a pretty busy schedule like all of us. And so I haven't got time to be boiling and peeling some eggs. So let's go ahead and get right into this with some pre-peeled eggs. I'm probably using way too big of a bowl for this, but in the bowl I have the yolks of the 2 eggs that you see sliced on the side. I have about half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and not quite a full tablespoon of the pickle relish. And you want to make sure you don't get as much liquid. You want like more relish and less liquid in it. I'm going to mash up the contents of what's in that bowl, stuff them back into those eggs, and then sprinkle on a little paprika and show you what I've got. So these are the deviled eggs. They come in at 1 point per half. And if you think that seems a little bit high for something that's such a small item, this is one of those things that I've never seen someone put more than 1 or 2 of them on their plate. So if you wanted 2 of those deviled eggs, then that would be 2 points of your whole meal. So to be honest with you, I was a little bit concerned at first about doing deviled eggs as my contribution to this collab. I've never actually seen a recipe for deviled eggs. I've never looked for a recipe for deviled eggs. Maybe some kind of fancy deviled eggs that have bacon or something like that. Someone's trying to do something really innovative with deviled eggs, but just plain old basic deviled eggs, I've never seen a recipe for. I feel like I just gave you a recipe for making ice water. In the South, everybody knows how to do this. Everybody sees their mom, their grandma, whoever do this, and so it's not a big deal. But the reason why I chose it is because I wanted you to see that a wellness journey or being on WW doesn't mean you have to give up the wonderful things you love. It also doesn't mean that you have to go and buy everything with artificial ingredients or artificial sweeteners or any of those things. So just regular ingredients, regular old Duke's mayonnaise, regular old pickle relish. What made them really special when I was a kid was that my grandmother made her own pickle relish out of sweet pickles she made every summer. And so that made them just take on a whole other dimension. But this store-bought sweet pickle relish is pretty good too. I hope you enjoy these deviled eggs. I hope you will try them and make them. Thanks for Kristi at Planning is Healthy for including me in this collab. This is Amy Common Sense Southern, and I'll see you next time.